welcome back to my channel. This is Ayushi. Namaste if you're new. So today I'm here with another video. As you can tell from the title, I am going to be asking my father dearest some questions, and he may know some answers, may not know some answers. So I'm not going to hold you accountable for that. That's okay.
I may skip the answers.
I mean, that you cannot do. That is one thing you cannot do. Like, people who know me personally know that I'm super close to my father, and I tell him, I think, everything that happens in my day. I come and like tell him all the gossip around and whatever drama is happening, and like he's pretty updated वैसे. But that may not mean that you know the answers to these questions. So let's hope so, and let's start. I have a list of questions, so I'm going to take this opportunity and ask.
Right. Any clues?
No clues.
Alright.
And he's hearing these questions for the first time, okay? So there is no cheating done. So we're going to start off slow, okay? And I am hoping that you know the answers to most of them. So, okay. First question. What's my favorite food?
A lot, but I think the one which you keep eating again and again and again, that's Dakshin Masala. Is that right?
That's right. So, and where is Dakshin Masala from?
From? Bailiff? No. Kya naam hai? I forget the name of the...
Banana leaf. But,
not Bailiff, sorry, Banana leaf.
That's right. But you get a point for that. So, Dakshin Masala, guys, if you haven't tried it, you have to. It is insane. Like, I can have that for the rest of my life and I'll be okay. Like,
I can have it once a month. That's it.
Okay, question number 2. This is, okay, let's see. Who's my oldest friend who I'm super close to even now?
Is she here or is she
I can't give you
studying?
any clues. This is, yeah.
Oh, you have a friend in US studying, but currently in quarantine here.
That's
so
right.
possibly it could be Satvika?
That's quite true.
Oh,
It's
right.
Satvika. I've known Satvika for... she was there in my previous vlog, whoever watched it. We've known each other for more than 11 years now. Yeah.
Yeah, we came here in 2007. Okay.
Yeah, quite a lot. Yeah.
13 years.
Wow. That's quite a lot. Okay. So the next question. This I don't know if you might know this or may not know this.
Chal, puch.
Okay, take care. What is my biggest pet peeve? Like things which I get irritated by. It can be multiple also. Like, it does not have to be just one.
Your brother?
I mean, a lot of things which he does.
Uh-huh.
But in general, like, what do you think is, like, what irritates me the most?
What irritates you?
Yeah. A lot of things irritate me. Like, what a few of them.
Yeah, when your parents tell you something to do, it definitely irritates you.
I don't think
And
so.
when you don't do it, they remind you again that irritates you.
But no, that is not the answer. I mean, I get irritated when people ask me to do things which I know I'm supposed to do.
Yeah,
And
but when you don't do it on time.
But I mean, sometimes my time is different, your time is different. No. Okay, I think one of my biggest pet peeves is किसी और का गुस्सा किसी पे निकालना. I hate that. I really hate that. When people that
No,
look I
get
saw.
it. No, I get it.
But when people sort of have issues, I mean, yeah, I feel like there is a much constructive way to sort of channel your
it applies to everybody.
yeah,
right?
for 100%. Like, not specific to anybody,
Right.
but that is something which really annoys me.
Yeah, but still, outside circumstances are not in your hand. So
Yeah.
you still need to work on yourself.
That's true.
And you may not be able to control things outside. You can definitely control your reactions
That's
and
true.
your replies and attitude. That's in your hand. So that can help you.
That's true. Okay. Do you know if I'm currently dating anybody?
I don't think so.
I think it's very obvious that I'm not. But yeah, okay. Okay, there's a follow-up question though. Okay, what if I ever decide to bring a boy home? Okay, like to, meet my family, meet my friends, So how would you react? Like, would you talk to him? Would you interrogate him? Would
Well,
you...
definitely meet him.
Yeah.
If it's a kind of a person who needs an interrogation, I will interrogate him. But it's fine. You can always have friends and I can meet them.
Would you like sit and watch a game with him?
Depends. The guy has to be interesting enough.
Okay, that's quite a challenge, you guys. Okay, so let's go mellow now. What are some of my favorite like TV shows?
TV show.
Yeah.
Friends. I think that's you just all 10 seasons, maybe 100 times.
That's quite true. I know each line. Like I don't need the visuals.
Like Kathy show. Catherine.
Yeah.
You used to see that a lot.
The Good Witch.
Yeah.
But that's not my all-time favorite. Like one of my this you should know because I have watched this show also like a million times. I watched it with mom. I watched it with everybody I know. I've made everybody watch it. You watched it. My favorite character dies in it. I read that show with I cannot tell you more, but it's something I've made everybody watch.
Okay, that ER type of show. Grey's Anatomy.
That's quite right.
Okay,
Grey's Anatomy. Yeah, that's my favorite. I think all-time favorite, like top 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many questions do you have?
No, quite a few actually. Okay, what kind of a kid was I growing up? If you had to describe in like one word.
Oh my god. Irritating.
Oh my god, everybody in my house has said the same word. My brother said annoying. My mom said kinkini. I don't know what that means.
Oh yeah, I share a very low frequency, or rather high frequency. I would say high frequency, low voice. But you were non-stop, and but anyway, I love you for that. So that's fine.
I was very entertaining. I think I was like, now that I look at like videos of
You
my past,
don't have semicolon, commas, anything. It's just start to end.
that's quite true.
Half an hour, 45 minutes is the minimum before you get a comma.
That's quite true.
Okay, so
But I don't think that's changed now.
that's not changed, but that's fine. Yeah, certainly.
Yeah.
And basically, that's where you opened up so much and you discussed everything, whether it's school, whether it's college, and we like that.
But for me, I feel like when I watch those videos, I feel like I want to slap that girl. I was like, just stop talking. Like, what is this? Itna energy kisi mein nahi hona chahiye. What's my favorite like country or like city which I've visited? Like my favorite.
Prague?
That's quite true. Yeah. First try. I asked this to my mother and my brother and everybody, and nobody got it. So that's quite sad.
It's Prague.
Yeah.
But
We should go
Austria,
again.
yeah.
Yeah, Austria
Even
was fun.
Hungary, Prague, and Austria are really good. Better than Switzerland.
Yeah, we need to go to Salzburg. We watched that movie and we went. I mean, I don't love that movie. I've seen it a million times. Sound of Music. And then we went for that tour in Salzburg. And then we saw the place where they were filming all the songs. And I was fangirling so hard. And
You were
I was
16
16
that
going
time,
on
right,
17. That
right.
was so cool. Love that. This you might enjoy answering. Do I have any annoying habits? And like what are they? Like some of them. Some. Okay.
I can list it down.
Okay.
Not many. Yeah, we have to keep reminding you doing this, doing that, and you don't do it. We remind you again, you get angry, you don't do it. And you try and do it maybe end of the day when everybody is slept. Okay?
But at least I've done it.
And second thing, you have शौक है शौक महंगी चीजें को गिराने का चाहे वो लैपटॉप हो चाहे वीडियो कैमरा हो चाहे एप्पल फोन एंड मल्टीपल दिस करंट एप्पल फोन आई थिंक यू वुड हैव थ्रोन मल्टीपल टाइम्स एंड स्क्रीन्स चेंज्ड मल्टीपल टाइम्स सो आई डोंट नो ये बहुत महंगा वाला शौक है
ये काफी maybe not the best idea to film this video but
You
okay
asked for it.
moving on. What are some of the what is the kind of content I like watching like on YouTube? Like you're always like Ayushi yaar kitna aur kya dekhti rehti hai pura din? What is the kind of content I like watching? Who are the YouTubers I follow? Like I don't like you know them by heart.
Malvika Chitlani, yeah, I think she's shown so many of them to me as well.
Yeah.
But I don't know what you keep searching for houses all across the globe. I don't know in every city she knows what are the areas, good areas, habitable areas, rates,
Yeah,
everything.
Weird obsession.
And it's really weird. You know, if somebody's studying. Somebody's planning to study in some city and then you do some research, that's a different thing. You're staying in Bombay, okay, you're looking for something in Baroda or you're looking for somebody, some good
In LA.
apartment in LA, New York. Anywhere. I mean, it's
I
just,
don't know what it is. I just love looking at houses. I like looking at apartments and how people decorate them or sort of like organize. I think it's just panchat. But I just love that. I can do that all day. Like I'm always looking at apartments on rent. It's very, very random. But yeah.
When you go for your further studies, when you go
Like
to do
I
your
am very
masters,
sure.
look at that option.
Yeah, I know like how I want my room to be like and how my first like apartment is going to look like. I know it exactly how I want it because I've done way too much research on something which is not happening soon.
You'll get a chance.
यहाँ से I'm saying यहाँ से I looked at it.
Yeah, कुछ नहीं चल ठीक ठाक है.
Fine, whatever.
और कितने questions हैं?
बस अभी last couple. One question only is left now. We shall end it on a good note.
Okay.
Okay, so what are few things you like about me, like as a person, not as your daughter? My brother is saying nothing.
First thing is you stand up for your rights. You have an eye for details. So whatever you like, you get into the depth of it. Okay, so that's one good thing. What you start, you try and complete. And very bubbly, doesn't keep so many secrets. Very confident in whatever you say, whether it's right or wrong.
That's true.
Okay, self-reliant. You have a very different face for people and you're very different inside. But yes, you can show a very strong outside face, which will, which can help in a way. Yes.
Like you mean to say I have like a stronger exterior?
Oh yeah, you have a very, very strong front. Okay, you can take on anybody. You will not worry about that person's status, that person's outlook, whatever it is. You have your point. You will make sure you will put that point. और किसी ने अगर बोल दिया जेंडर इक्वालिटी पे कुछ निकाला खलास वो आदमी गया.
But that should be the case.
Yeah, gender equality is the thing. So you cannot have any biases because of the gender.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today, you guys. We had a lot of fun. He's relieved that we are done. And I did not make it way too spicy, but maybe we will do a part 2 sometime. Maybe. Who knows?
Okay.
Did you have fun?
Oh yeah, that's
You
nice.
did?
Thank you so much.
If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and
Subscribe.
yay! Bye!
Bye bye.